Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Realme has enough power and is unlocked. This avoids interruptions while changing the call screen. Open Settings, then type Call Screen, or go to Wallpaper and Style depending on your Realme UI version. Once you see the call screen or incoming call settings entry, tap it to enter customization. You do this now because different UI versions place the option under Display, Themes, or Caller ID, so searching saves time and leads you straight to the editable options. Now choose a template, dynamic, image, or video, because each affects performance and data use differently. Video looks great but uses more battery. Tap a template to preview, then press Customize to change background, add an image or short video clip, and pick animation styles. Make sure to set caller photo size and layout so names and buttons remain readable. Once done, use the preview button to simulate an incoming call. This confirms contrast, and touch targets before you exit the menu. Finish by saving your changes and performing a quick test incoming call to confirm the new screen appears. If it doesn't apply, make sure caller ID permissions are granted, then clear the phone app cache and reopen settings. Permissions or cached data often block updates. Once you've retried, reboot the device to finalize system-level changes. If problems continue, check your Realme UI version. Older firmware sometimes lacks features, and consider updating the system to enable full call screen customization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.